Okay, this is a cute little compressor I found that's kind of goofy the way it operates. And I'm going to show you how it works here and slow it down for you. I thought this was interesting, the way this thing's designed. See if I can get some other views of it. It appears to be a Tecumseh. It's for a small refrigerator. You can see that slide on there as the eccentric goes around. And I've got it running slow now. Seems like somebody did an awful lot of work here to make something really complicated rather than just using a connecting rod. But it's kind of interesting to watch this thing work. Looks like it was out of a small refrigeration compressor. Like I said, I think it's a Tecumseh. Could not find a model on it, but anyway, that's how the little bugger works. I'll take it apart and we'll look at the parts on it.